उत्तर गोंयांत येवपी नव्या पिडीए बाबतींत राज्यांत वचत थंय बोवाळ चल्ला. मात हो थाराव पयलींच विधानसभेत पास जाल्लो. आतां फक्त तो चालीक लावपाक पावलां उखलल्यात म्हण टीसीपी मंत्री विजय सरदेसायान स्पश्ट केलां. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
The department is not functioning optimally. We have to do some certain things to make the department a strong, proactive working department, which is why we are going to take the steps. These steps have been approved by the House of the People, which is the Legislative Assembly of Goa. Whether some activist likes it or not, this is going to happen. Number one. Number two, whenever you are going to change the status quo, you are going to experience some resistance. This is not only in Goa, it is in the whole of the country. And something which has been happening for so long, and people get used to this chair, they are shaken from that chair. There is going to be some resistance. But natural that we also understand this. And we are okay, we are prepared to face it.
Saying that
Aam Aadmi Party, what is it saying? That the planning areas, number one, let us get this straight. A new PDA for an area like Talegaon, how is it different from the old PDA? Talegaon is already in PDA area.
Correct.
So if it is going to get a PDA, what is the problem? Maybe the chairman will buy a car. Okay, I will tell the new chairman, don't buy a car. So there is no cost, added cost that the government is going to incur if the new PDA comes there. But for the last 5 years, the Talegaon ODP was not finalized. So do those people of Talegaon not pay taxes? Are they not having a right to have a planned development for them?
correct.
Should their ODP not get finalized? So what is the problem? Who are these activists? And what is this Aam Aadmi? Aam Aadmi is being led by a ex-government bureaucrat. Was he the cleanest of the bureaucrats? What are you trying to tell us? And that some activist is saying that he is giving titles and labels to these officers. So are we fighting a proxy war by using activists? Activists whose credentials are not very sound. Some activists are known for extortion. So are these people going to decide how the state is going to be playing? So we are doing our job. We know that when there is a status quo is changed, there is going to be some resistance. We are going to accept good suggestions which come. I am not saying that I am completely, that I can make no mistakes. I am not saying that. I am willing to accept suggestions, but we cannot deviate from the path of that we have taken. The path is 3 CTPs is a bill that has been approved by the Legislative Assembly. It is now being implemented.
By when it will be enforced, sir?
As early as possible. There is an issue of land use. Land use maps have to be made for the whole of the state. Somebody has to take that responsibility. There is an issue of administration of the department. Somebody will have to take that. And somebody will have to take the responsibility for planning the department, which is what is the department all about, town and country planning. So planning, one person is going to handle it. So we are only implementing what has been approved by the Legislative Assembly. So nobody needs to be disturbed by it.
How this CTP, 3 CTPs would be bifurcated? Or would it be one for
I told
north,
you just
south?
now, there will be one for planning, one for administration, and one for land use.
And accountability, you feel accountability was a clear
Naturally,
aspect?
there will be
of
account. See, in the past, I have been continuously saying that huge tracts of orchard land are being converted illegally. I have asked for a status report and a detailed report as to which are these lands which are converted. As of now, I have not got even the report from them, from the department. Is this accountability of the department? We are almost 6 months in this government.
More than that.
We don't even have a list of who's converting illegally. How do you approve this? So therefore, I want more accountability from my officers.
So
I want the department to be proactive. Number one. Number two is this, whatever this added responsibility we are giving to each person is not only giving him that power, but also making him accountable to the people of Goa.
So all three CTPs would have equal powers.